Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Invideo for shorts. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and start with going to a web browser and simply go to invideo.io. This is the homepage that will welcome you once you are at their website. You can see that there are a lot of features that you can use creating videos. You can even use AI tool here with Invideo. So first thing that you need to do is sign up. Here you can create your free account either using your Google account, or you can simply type in or fill out all the details like your name, email address, and create your own password. But in this case, I will be using my Google account so that it would just be easier for me to log in next. So once you are signed in or signed up with your Google account, you will be asked a few questions, and then you'll be routed into either you can create your team or you can just skip for now if you're just trying this out or if you're only one member in your team. So they will ask you about how you heard about Invideo. There's a quick survey about these and what is your primary goal for using Invideo to create videos, and for which platform you will use the videos for when you are done editing with these platforms. So once you're done, if you are successfully created or you have successfully created an account here in Invideo, so you have a lot of features here. You can either use the templates or you can have AI to video, AI text to video. But what we will deal here with today is actually for YouTube Shorts. So in order for you to create a YouTube short, you need to have a bunch of ideas, but we will be focusing on the short videos that has inspirational quotes or there's facts, so that it would just be we can prepare a list of all the phrases or all of the statements ahead of time, and then we can just do bulk edits in the later part. So here, for example, let's go to YouTube and we will search for examples that we will be using. So for example, like this one, there are life choices or motivational quotes. You can definitely use that. So in order for us to be able to have the list of phrases or quotes that we will use when we will be editing later on Invideo, we will need the help of ChatGPT or chat.openai.com. So first thing, you need to log in into your account here for ChatGPT so that you'll be able to successfully use their platform. Just wait for this to load. And there, once you have logged in your ChatGPT account, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a list of motivational quotes or life quotes that you will be using for YouTube Shorts. Here, so write a list of motivational quotes, and then ChatGPT would automatically write the quotes for you. As you can see, it's actually 25 if I'm not mistaken. Once you have all those quotes, what you need to do is go to Invideo and click on templates. You will actually be able to see a template that is similar to YouTube Shorts, or you can type in here on the search bar YouTube Shorts template. You can see there's a lot of templates you can use. It's actually more on nature related, but I'll be using this template right here. And then once you have chosen a template, you can actually click on use template. Let me just adjust the view here. So once you have chosen the template that you will use, you can actually click on this button right here. You can choose whether it's landscape, portrait, or square. But for us, since for YouTube Shorts is actually on a portrait format, so we will be using the template as portrait. Here, as you can see, when we click on use template, it will direct you to the editing part of the video, wherein all you have to do is to replace these words right here. So believe you can do it. And what we will do is we will go to ChatGPT and we will look into the phrases or the quotes that we will replace into the template that we had from the Invideo template for YouTube Shorts. So we can simply click on edit right here, click on the text and click on edit. And on the left side panel of the screen, this is where you will be able to change the text or the content of your text here for the YouTube Shorts that we are creating. Here, let me just do a quick edit right here. Make sure that when you will be editing the text out here, make sure it's readable and it's not very lengthy so that it will retain your viewers' attention into continuing or for them to pay attention on the video or for your YouTube Shorts. Since the more they will pay attention into your YouTube Shorts, the more you will be able to get a lot of viewers into the YouTube Shorts that you will be uploading later on YouTube. So here you can see that I had the first text, and then the next phrase will be on the next scene already. Dream big. So the code we have here is dream big and dare to fail. So when you click on play, it will automatically provide you, or it will have you a preview on how the YouTube Short would look like. So for example, you want to change the background video, you can definitely do that. On the left side panel of the screen here at the leftmost side, there is a video option that you can click on, and you can simply look for the video that you want to replace here for the background. So for example, here I want to change the dream big background into mountain climbing so that it would actually have it's relating to your dreams wherein you need to aim higher. It's actually relating to the code as well. So that is how you'll be able to create a YouTube Short here on Invideo. So you can just use the same template and then you can just simply replace the text. And once you're done, you can simply click on upgrade to export. And in order for you to upload the video, you need to have a pro plan. And here they actually have $15 per month and $30 per month if you pay it yearly. But if you pay monthly, it's actually bigger since it's $30 per month, and for unlimited it's $60. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to create a YouTube Short here in Invideo. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.